Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a comment to a page in Notion. Now you can open up a new page or whatever page you want to add comments to. You have it open here. I have this page. All you need to do is move your mouse cursor to where the title is and it will appear above. So you can see this add comment in gray. You click on that and it allows you to add a comment. The comments are useful because you're just noting to yourself without cluttering the actual page content. And I need to press enter to make it a comment. And it's also useful because you can communicate once you share this page to another person, they can acknowledge that they saw it by adding 100% or smiley face or a check mark. And when it's all done, you can delete it by resolving the comment and it'll disappear. Now, when you delete it, there's still going to be an added comment thing, and there's no way to get rid of this while being in this page. You basically have to close Notion and reload this page, and it will disappear. So don't panic if this shows up and you're not sure how to delete it. That's the solution. So, all right, hope this helps. Thank you.